In a world of uncertainties, one thing remains constant: the impeccable service of Lakeshore Restoration LLC, a top-rated damage recovery and restoration contractor. Their stellar ratings across platforms like Google, Trustpilot, and TrustIndex echo the excellence of their services, their commitment to their customers, and their unwavering sense of responsibility. Imagine this: the Thompson family, a hardworking bunch residing in the heart of Kuani County, woke up one day to find their beloved home ravaged by a sudden flood. The water damage was extensive, their cherished memories at the brink of being lost forever. Amidst this chaos and despair, they found a beacon of hope: Lakeshore Restoration LLC. With a swift response to their emergency call, Lakeshore Restoration LLC made their way to the Thompsons' flood-stricken home. Their team of professionals, skilled in water damage restoration, mold inspection, and mold removal, got to work. They also offered flood restoration, sewage and hazardous cleanups, and professional air duct cleaning. The Thompsons watched in awe as the team meticulously restored their home, salvaging what could have been lost and eradicating the threats that lingered. The once waterlogged living room, the mold-infested walls, the sewage-filled basement, all restored to their former glory, if not better. But Lakeshore Restoration LLC's commitment didn't just stop at the Thompsons. They've extended their exceptional restoration services to families and businesses across Shaban County, Brown County, Cumc County, and Kuani County. Each story adds a feather to their cap, a testament to their unwavering commitment to bringing life back to spaces hit by disasters. And so if you find yourself face to face with a disaster, remember, recovery is just a phone call away. Reach out to Lakeshore Restoration LLC at 920-221-1440 or visit their website at www.lakeshorerestorationllc.co. Trust in their top-rated services to restore not just your home or business, but also your peace of mind. With Lakeshore Restoration LLC, you're not just a customer, you're part of a story of restoration, resilience, and revival.